Hello everyone. Good evening.
Hi, Sai. Good evening.
Hello. Good evening everyone.
Hi, Sai. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sai, good
Yeah.
evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Shall we start our class?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sure.
Yes,
Yeah,
Sai.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yesterday's class, we have seen how to install Jenkins in Windows machine, correct? So we have installed Jenkins in Windows. I have taken my laptop. In my laptop, I have installed Jenkins. So how to access Jenkins, you know, right? Localhost colon 8080. Localhost means your base machine, your laptop's private IP, colon, Jenkins runs on port 8080. That's why localhost colon 8080. Now press enter. Yes, now you can able to log into Jenkins. Now, right, credentials, yesterday I had given admin and admin, right? Fine. So this is how we log into Jenkins. What we do now we are going to see how to install Jenkins in Linux. Okay. What I'll do, I launch one EC2 instance. EC2 instance in which I'm going to install. See, Maven and all. Anyways, we are going to discuss in Maven class very clearly in Linux. Okay. Here just we are going to see how to install Jenkins. So for that, the only prerequisite is Java. First, I'm going to install Java. Then I'm going to install Jenkins. Okay. So Java, then Jenkins. Let's do it now. So log into AWS account. Sign in. Now launch one EC2 instance. EC2. Launch instance. What is this? Remain in old experience. We have introduced new experience. The launch experience will soon be reaching end of life. You cannot. Okay, fine. See, you can use new console also. See, click here, opt in to new experience. Click here, new one. Yeah. So right now we are in new console. So same thing guys. Here I think already we used right in previous classes. Okay. Here you give any name. I'll give Jenkins _ server. Okay. Here you can choose any operating system. I'll choose Amazon Linux. In that Amazon Linux, I choose first one. Then T2 micro, fine. I'll create a new key pair. Create new key pair. Give any name. I'll give 19 Jenkins. 19 Jenkins. Okay. Create key pair. That's it. Now everything remains same. Come into security group. Very important. We have to open SSH so that we can go inside machine and we can run commands. Okay. HTTP, that's not required. Okay. But you have to open port 8080. SSH and port 8080, these two are important. Okay. So if you want, you can open HTTP also, but that's not so important. Okay. I've opened SSH, HTTP, and we can add, one second. Yeah, here you click on edit. Edit. Okay, now here give any new name. Jenkins security group. Give any description. Here SSH. See, anyways, we have opened HTTP. That's optional. Add one more rule, that is custom TCP only. Just keep it like that on custom TCP. Here you have to enter port manually. That is 8080. That's it. And open to everyone. So anywhere. Okay. That means I'm opening to everyone. That's it. SSH. Okay, 8080. No, that's fine. That's it. Over. Do we have any save option here? No. Okay. Do it at the end. Now coming to storage. Yes, 8 GB is enough. Then advanced. Do we have anything here in advanced? That's it. That's it. Over. Click here. Launch instance. Now store down and view instances. That's it. Our instance is ready. Now let's go inside these Jenkins. Connect. Nineteen Jenkins, right? Select that and open. Now give username EC2 hyphen use. That's it. So we are inside our EC2 instance. Now clear the screen. Sudo su minus yum update minus y. Now first we have to install Jenkins. First we have to install Java. Then after that we will install Jenkins. Okay, done. Yeah, let's install Java. Yum install Java minus y. That's it. Enter. Automatically takes latest version automatically. That's it. We have installed Java. Now verify Java space hyphen version. Okay, so we have installed Java. Now after that, I'll tell you how to set up this path, guys. Okay, in Linux also we can set up Java's home path. So how to do that? For that, first let me run this command, then I will show you, then I will explain what actually I'm doing. Okay, so find usr lib jvm Java. Or you can use star, then right 3. Seems it's 11, right? 1 second, guys. Directory is path. Just give me 1 minute. Sorry. Actually, it has taken latest version, right? I'm not really sure this latest version works or not. Generally, in companies we are using this Java hyphen 1.8 star. Okay, actually this is the version that actually we are using in companies -5. Okay, this is a version we are using. What is showing here? No package marked for. Sorry, yum install. Install. Okay, latest version. I'll verify and I'll let you know. Okay, so as of now, since it is working fine, that's why we'll use this one. Okay, so Java 1.8. This is a version. Okay, you can use it. Okay, done. So we have installed. Now let's verify version of Java. Java space hyphen version. Still showing 17. One thing. Yum remove. Java hyphen. This one, right? The latest version also it should work, but I didn't test, right? That's why I didn't want to take the risk. So that's why. One point eight. Now it is showing 1.8. Okay, so we have installed 1.8 version. Now I'll show you how to set up its Java's home path. Okay, so for that, first let me run this command, then I will explain. Find usr lib jvm java hyphen 1.8 star pipe head hyphen and number 3. Yeah, this is the one we want. See what actually I'm doing. In order to set up its path, environment variable, whatever we did in yesterday's class, if you want to do like that in Linux also, so we need its executable. This is Java's executable. This is Java's executable. This is what we want. Okay, so when we install Java, we get so many packages Java related with this name, so many. But out of those many, I would like to search for this particular one. So that's why I have used find command. I'm using find command to get anything, anything starting with this one. So let me repeat. See here. I want, when we install Java, we get so many packages. So many packages will be installed. I want to see all names that pack, anything starting with this name by using find command. If you even if you don't mention this path also, that is fine. But since I know that when we install Java, that will be installed here, that's why I have mentioned clearly. So I would like to search for any line starting with this name under this location. With that, there will be so many lines, but I don't want all of them. I want, see, when we run this command, you will get so lot of output, so many lines starting with this name. But from that, I'm pretty sure that whatever line which I want, that will be in out of top 3 only. That's why, see, output of this one would be input of this one. That's what we use pipe command, pipe symbol. So from that, all those lines, I'd like to search for head, top 3 lines. Okay. So it is showing top 3. And from this, yes, this is what we want. This is line. By using this line, we are going to set up its path. Okay. So let me show you how to set its path. For that, you have to open one file. That is, if you do ls-a, you can find one file that is called bash_profile. This is a file that we want. Inside this, we are going to set up path. Okay. So how to do that? Vi, open this file, .bash_profile. Okay. Before that, let me copy this entirely. By using this only, we are going to set up its path, Java's path. Now enter. Now we are inside that file. Okay. So here, anywhere you can mention here, what you do in capital letters Java_home in capital letters equal to paste this line. That's it. In capital letters Java_home equal to that line. And you can see this path variable here. You can see this line, right? What you do, just come to this line here, colon, dollar, Java_home. This is how we have to mention. That's it. Simple. Java_home and give this executable. And in this path line is right, this one. So you just mention colon, dollar, Java_home. That's it. Over. Now let's come out of this. Escape, colon, WQ. Now what you do, just exit. Just it's kind of restart. Exit and sudo -. It's kind of restart. In Windows laptop, we generally restart, right? But instead of that, here you type exit and just log in as a root user again. Okay. Now, if you want to verify whether you set that path properly or not, echo. See, if it is Windows, we give like this, right? Between percentage symbols, Java_home. This is how we give in Windows. But in Linux, we cannot use this percentage symbol. This one. Okay. Instead of that, we use dollar just in front of that line. Echo dollar Java_home. Then you should be able to see this executable, this entire path, that executable with its path. That means we have set up Java's home path properly. Okay, that's how we do it. Just remember that we are going to use it again and again. Okay, fine. Now we are ready with Java. Then we have to install Jenkins. How to do that? Simple. Go to Jenkins website, jenkins.io. Okay, this is official website that you know. Now here, go to download option. Click on download. Now here, yeah. So under latest stable version, long-term support release. Under that, see, RC is Amazon Linux, right? Amazon Linux comes under Red Hat family. You know, right? CentOS, this, Red Hat, all these things comes under Red Hat family. So you select this one. Now here we need to run all these commands. That's it. Simple. Just run all these commands. Okay. Now first one, wget. First let me paste, then I will explain. Copy this command and right click. What actually we are doing? This is the actual URL of Jenkins. Actual URL. Downloadable URL. So by using wget command, we are downloading. After downloading, once you download, you will get this package, correct? Jenkins-. What I'm doing, so that package, see, in our Linux machine, by default, there will be etc directory. Under that m.repos.t. These two folders will be there. So after downloading, I'm keeping that one here. So I'm giving this name means that will be placed with the same name. If you give any other name, this will be renamed and that will be placed here. Okay, even if you don't give here, that's still fine. This will be placed here. I mean, that's okay. You can directly download wget this line, this URL, but they are not recommending that. They are suggesting us that, hey, you download to this particular location, m.repos.t. So whatever they said, they mentioned officially in website, you follow that one. Now enter, that's it. See here, that got placed here under this location. Fine, over. So we have downloaded Jenkins. Then run this command. Sudo is not required because already we are running this command being a root user. Now run this command. So what is this? Actually, what happens in future while using Jenkins, whenever any updates are there from Jenkins side, okay, so those we should be able to download automatically. Okay, so for that we are importing one key from Jenkins website, importing a key. So just press enter, that's it. We have imported key. With this key, updates will be downloaded automatically. This acts like an authentication. Okay, so just run that second command also. Then it is asking to install Java, but we don't need Java. Already we have installed Java, so we don't need. directly we are going to install Jenkins. So already we have downloaded. Now we are going to install Jenkins. Yum install Jenkins minus y. Now enter. So now you can see this is how we are going to install Jenkins. Let's wait. Okay, that's it. We have installed Jenkins. Install Jenkins. That's it. So for Jenkins also we have service. Okay, we need to start that service. So how to start that service? Simple. Service Jenkins start. Okay, service Jenkins start. See, in Windows also we have installed Jenkins, right? In Windows we need not to start manually. Jenkins service gets started automatically. Let me show you in Windows. So here in Windows, you type here services. Services. When you type here services, you can see it will take you to this services page. If you scroll down somewhere, definitely you'll find Jenkins. Yeah, you can see Jenkins service is running. Okay, in Windows it happens automatically. Jenkins will be started automatically. That's why we did not start manually. Okay, so if you want to stop, yes, you can stop here. If you want to restart, you can click here restart. Okay, that is so. But don't touch this section, guys. It's very dangerous section. Instead of touching you Jenkins, if you stop any other service, your laptop itself, it won't work. Okay, so don't touch that section. That's it. We have installed Jenkins. Now let's see how we are going to access Jenkins. Simple. You have to take public IP. Public IP only you have to take. Why it is so? Simple. This instance is running somewhere in Mumbai. Somewhere in Mumbai. But where is my laptop? My laptop is right now. Right now it is in Dubai. So we are in two different locations completely. Okay. So that's why you have to take public IP. Okay. Take public IP and paste here. Colon 8080. That already the port we have opened, right? Now enter. Yes, immediately you can see Jenkins. Now you know how to unlock Jenkins. They have kept one secret file, password. I mean the password under varlib Jenkins secret folder. Inside that, in this notepad, this is a file, right? Initial admin password is the file. Just copy this, and you can use cat command, right, to open that file. Right click. That's it. So when you use cat command, yeah, we can open this file. Now press enter. You can see this is a password. Just copy it and paste here. That's it. Click here, continue. Now, yeah, if you want, you can take plugins. If you don't want, you need not to take plugins here. Select the plugins to install. You select whatever plugins that you want. Okay. And here, it's about if I don't want any plugins, just click here, none. See here, it won't select any plugin. That's it. Install. Yeah, that's it. It will be installed within seconds itself because we did not download any plugins. Right? Now give any username, any password, give confirm password, and you can give any name. That's up to you. Save and continue. So now onwards, if you want to access Jenkins, okay, you have to use this public IP colon 8080. Save and finish. That's it. Start using Jenkins. Okay, that is so. Instead of admin, I have given name Sai, right? That's why it has taken Sai. Now observe carefully, guys. This one which is running on my laptop. Okay, whatever screen that you can see, and this is running in our EC2 instance. See, one is running in my laptop, and one is running in EC2 instance. So, do you find any differences here? Please respond. Do you find any differences with respect to this graphical or console? Any differences? Yeah, no, right? Both are same, correct?
No,
All both
no,
are
No,
same,
no.
Yes,
right?
same, same.
Yeah, same thing. That's why I said whether you install Jenkins on Windows or Linux, it doesn't make any difference. At the end of the day, we are going to access Jenkins to browser only. See, browser is graphical only, right? So we are going to do everything from here itself, browser only. So that's why whether you install Jenkins on Windows or Linux or any platform, doesn't make any difference. Got it? At the end of the day, you are going to work through browser only. Okay, so that is how we access Jenkins. We install in Linux also. Got it? Yeah, that's it. That's how we do it. Now, yeah, we finish our work. Now you can terminate it. Now what we do, we are going to see everything in Windows, and later on in projects and now we are going to see Linux also. But again, same thing. Same, you don't find any difference. Okay. Let me terminate. We finished our work, right? Let me terminate. Before I terminate, do you have any doubts? Before I terminate, because now we are going to see all topics one by one in Jenkins. No more doubts?
Also,
Sai, one doubt, Sai,
Yes,
here.
please.
Like, here we didn't download it Git. Is that
Yeah,
fine?
Git, that's okay. See, I told you, right, to install Jenkins, you need only one prerequisite is Java. Git is not a prerequisite. Got it?
Okay.
If you want, you
Fine.
can install. See, yum install git -5. That doesn't make any. Got it?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. So now let me uninstall these guys. Let me terminate it because I don't need this instance anymore. Right? That's why. And just close this one. Yeah. So now we are going to see Jenkins concepts one by one. Okay. So now let me explain this dashboard a little bit. Yeah. So right, this is a user that we have created. Okay, being admin, we logged into our machine. If you want to log out, you can log out from here. In Jenkins, you have to understand one thing. You can use the word job, or you can use the word project or item. All are same. Either you can use the word job or you can use a project, you can use the word item, all are same. Okay. So any job, any task in Jenkins that we refer as job or project or item, any task, even a small task. For example, if I run a command echo hi, this simple command, this is there in both Windows and Linux. So when I run this command, what's the output that I get? Hi only, correct? So this is one job, or you can call one project or one item. Any small task or any task in Jenkins we refer as a job, or you can call project, or you can call item. That's why you can see some places here, see they're asking to create a job. Some places they're asking to create an item. Both are same, no difference at all. Both are same. Okay. Running that job, if you run this job or project or item, if you run that one, that is what we call build. The process you call build. Again, you might be thinking, Sai, build means you said converting entire source code into any installable application. Yes, that is build in Maven, not in Jenkins. I'm repeating, converting source code into any installable application. That process we call build in Maven, not in Jenkins. In Jenkins, build means just running any job. If I run this job, that means I'm building this job. Okay. So once you build, output, maybe it could be successful, it may not be successful, correct? Okay. It may be positive or negative, that output. Okay. It might be successful, or sometimes you might get some errors. So if it is successful, then we call it build success. Build success. If it is failed, then we call build fail. Build success, build fail. That's what we do it. Okay, that is so. So see, if I run this command, I'll get proper output. That means build success here. Suppose instead of giving this one, maybe if I give any wrong command, for example, I'm giving only CHO high. So then it will throw an error because there is no such kind of command. Then build fail. that is how it is. Okay, just remember this one. Job, either you can call job or project or item, all are same. Running these things we call build. Okay, if it is output is positive, that we call build success. If it is negative, that we call build fail. Okay, just remember these things, very, very important. So if you want to stop Jenkins, if you want to stop or start service, as I said, you can go to services. Here you can go to your services. There you can stop or start. That already I have shown. Okay, but that is not recommended. That's what I said. You should not touch that services panel. Instead of selecting Jenkins, if you select any other one, obviously your OS itself will be corrupted. You should not stop those services. So that's why what they are giving in Jenkins, they have given easy option. That is, if you want to stop Jenkins, you can stop here. You can just at the end of URL, put one slash and just stop and press enter. This will be stop. If you want to start again, say press enter, that will be started. If you want to restart, just type like this here, press enter. See, let me show you. Enter. When I press enter, you can see they ask me, hey, are you sure you want to restart Jenkins? Yes. If I click here, Jenkins will be restarted. Okay, just remember, these are the easy ways through which we can deal with Jenkins service. Okay. Now, what I'll do, let me create any job. Okay, let me create any job. Simple. First, we'll start with simple jobs. Now, click here, new item. Either you can click here, create job or new item. Both will take you to the same location. Okay, so new item. Here, one more thing here. People, when we create users and all, those will be created here. Build history. When you run any job, every job will have its history. Okay, we get history for every job. That's what logs. We can go and verify logs, what actually happened and all. That history will be saved here. Okay, manage Jenkins. It's kind of settings option to in your mobile. If you want to do any management in Jenkins, like you want to attach external slaves or internal slaves, you want to manage plugins. If you want to do anything in Jenkins, we use this option. See, when you click that, you'll find so many options. You can see configure systems, manage plugins. You can see all this stuff. Okay, that is all. Yeah, we are going to see all of them. Views. Here we can change view by from here. Okay, yeah, that we anyways we are going to see about views and all. Now build queue. See, Jenkins can run at a time 2 jobs. Okay, Jenkins can run at a time 2 jobs. So that's why here you can see only 2 numbers. That means simultaneously you can run 2 jobs simultaneously. Okay, those jobs names will be displayed over here. Suppose you are running 5 jobs at a time. First 2 jobs will be executed simultaneously. Remaining 3 jobs will be in a queue. Will be in a queue. Will be in a waiting process. So those 3 jobs will be shown here. Build a queue. Jobs which are waiting to get processed, that will be displayed here. Okay. Yeah. So let me create a job. Click here, new item. Give any name here. Okay. Don't worry about all of them. Okay. Don't worry. We'll see one by one. You give any name to this job. Maybe I'll give first job. Any name, that's up to you. You want whatever you want, you can give. First job. I'm giving. Now it asks me, hey, what kind of job it is? What kind of job? It's a freestyle project or for, I told you, right? You can call it project also. So it asks me what kind of project it is. It's a pipeline project, freestyle project. What kind of project it is? Since we don't know anything about this project as of now, we don't know, right, what kind of project it is. That's why you select freestyle. Select freestyle. Simple. If you are sick, but you don't know why you are sick, you don't know, then you consult MBBS doctor. Correct? You are sick and you know the reason. You are suffering from throat pain. You know the reason. Then you consult ENT specialist. If you are suffering from heart pain, then you refer cardiologist. Okay. So any pregnancy related, then gynecologist. So see, if you don't know the problem, then you refer this doctor. He is a generalist. but these are specialists. They are specialized in one particular area. So here also same thing. If you don't know what kind of job it is, then you select freestyle. It is for every job. Okay, if you don't know what kind of project it is, you just select freestyle. That's it. It has solution for every kind of project. Okay, just select freestyle. Okay, then click here. Okay. Generally, this is running in my Windows, right? That's why obviously it will be little bit slow. But if you do the same thing in Linux, it would be fast. Okay, you know, Windows is comparatively slower compared to Linux, right? Okay. Now here you can see these are the options: general, source code management, build triggers. Yeah, if I scroll up, see here, I'm scrolling up. You can see these options are, these options are getting toggled among all these things. You can see, right, like that. Or straight away you click here, it will take you to that location. Build triggers, build environment. You can see it will take you to that location. So these are the options which are related to this particular job. This is what we call job configuration. Job configuration. If you do anything, if you select any option here, that means you are changing the configuration related to this particular job. Okay, this is what job configuration related options. Okay, so we'll see all these options one by one. But as of now, don't worry about all of them. As of now, see one more thing I would like to do. While installing Jenkins, we got Git plugin by default. Correct? Okay, by default that we got. So that's why you can able to see Git option. Okay, so the more plugins you add, the more options you get. So if I uninstall Git plugin, then this option will be disabled. So that's why you can customize Jenkins. How to customize? You add more plugins, you will get more options. You remove plugins, options will be deleted. Simple. That's all. Okay. Anyways, we are going to see plugins and all these things. So as of now, what I'm going to do, let's go to build. Here, execute Windows batch command. See, Windows commands we call batch commands, BATCH. Linux commands we call bash commands, BASH. Or you can call shell commands. Windows commands we call batch. Linux commands we call either bash or shell. Okay, generally people get confused between these two. Okay, both are kind of same, right? But not same. Bash means Windows commands. Bash means Linux commands. Okay. So here what they're saying here, execute Windows batch command. Yeah, select. Now here, okay, let's give the same command, whatever example which I have given. Echo, in double quotes, I'm giving hello, one simple command. So when I run any command here, that will be executed where in base laptop. I'll show you where that will be executed. So as of now, I'm giving one simple command called echo hello. Okay, that's it. Now apply and save. That's it. Now let's build. If you want to build, yeah, go to dashboard. See, I have created one job. Yeah, this is the name of that job. What is this? This is a status. Okay, status of the build. So once you build is finished, then here you can see here green color tick, green tick. If build is failed, you can see something in a red color. That is all. So this is what weather report. You can see W is right, weather report. Okay, weather report. You can see weather report. So it shows a trend. For example, out of 3, see, I assume that I have built this job thrice. If all 3 times are successful, here it shows sunny. Sunny means, yeah, it shows full sunny. Out of 3, 2 successful, 1 failed. Then it shows sunny and little bit cloudy. That weather report it shows. If 1 successful, 2 failed, then it shows cloudy. If 3 are failed, then full cloudy and rainy. That's how it is going to show. That means it shows the track record of average trend of previous builds. Okay. Fine. So if you want to build this job, you have 3 places from where you can execute this option. How to do that? Simple. When you just hover your cursor on top of this name, you can see right side drop down is it. So select that. Here you can see build. Either you can select this option or You can click here. This one, this is also build option only. Or you go inside this job, just click on the job, go inside this job, and you click here build. That's it. So either of the ways, you have 3 places from where you can build. That's up to you. So I'm going to build from here. You can see. That's it. See here, it is showing build status. See, build is under progress. You can see first job. That's it. Since it's a small command which I have given, that's a build is successful. Means what is this? Build triggered. When you hit refresh here, when you hit refresh, see this job is successful. You can see green color. And see weather report, no recent build failed. Okay, just it is showing sunny. This is what sunny. Okay, don't worry about the weather report and all. So it took just 15 seconds. Yeah, so no, see, just 15 seconds back we executed build, and it took just 1.8 seconds to build. Just we kept only one command, right? That's why it did not take much time. Suppose if you want to see the history, what actually happened in this job, if you go inside this job, here you can see the green color tick, right? Green color. Yeah, just click that one, green color one. When you select that, when you click that, you can see console output. This is what history. Now it shows that what actually it did. So this job got executed being an admin user. Okay, with this admin. See, this is my laptop. Attach it on pen drive. I attach pen drive. When I attach pen drive, whatever data is there in this pen drive, that actually I can see here. One window kind of thing will be created that I can see in B, correct? So whatever data is there in my pen drive, that I can able to see in my laptop in this window B. Now tell me one thing, guys. Where is my actual data? Whether it is in A or B, where is my actual data? Present.
Pen drive.
Pen drive means yeah, A or B.
A.
But that data I can able to see here. Correct? So
B.
what? Yeah, correct. That I can see here. So what is B here? B is acting like a window through which I'm accessing the data which is in here. Correct? B is like a window through which we are managing the data which is in here. Correct? When you add something here, that actually will be added here. When I remove something from here, that will be removed from here. Actually, things are happening in pen drive, but you are going to manage that one from here. Correct? The same thing, this B is what your browser. Whatever you are seeing, right? That is what. What is A? Inside your C drive, inside Jenkins folder, inside C drive. That means whatever we are doing here, right, in this browser, everything is happening. Things are getting stored somewhere in C drive. Things are getting executed in C drive, where you can see we have executed this job, but where actually this job got executed? C drive, inside program data, inside, yes, we got a folder called Jenkins when we installed. Inside .jenkins, yes. Inside one workspace folder got created, workspace. What actually happens? One workspace folder will be created, big workspace folder. Yeah, it is already created. Now, when you create any job, when you run any job, inside that, those folders will be created. See, I created one job called first job. So one folder got created inside that big workspace folder called first job. That command got executed here, actually, inside C drive. So this first job, we call workspace folder of this first job. See, these are big workspace folder, big workspace folder. Inside this, these are small workspace folder of this particular job. So that is so it happens here. Program data, you guys be mute. I request everyone, please go on mute. Yeah, here you can see program data, Jenkins, everything here. Inside this command got executed, echo hello and hello. So build successful. See, that's what. See, build success. That command executed successfully. That's why it is showing build success. That is so. Now, if you, I'll show you this folder. You can see. Go to this location. Just copy this and yeah, type paste here. Now enter. Yeah, here you can see inside program data Jenkins, inside .jenkins. Here you can see one folder got created called workspace. You can see workspace. If you go inside that, you can see first job, this folder got created. Inside that folder, everything happened actually. Whatever command we executed, right? That got executed here. Okay. So what you can see on the screen, this is what a window, its actual pen drive is this one. That is how things work. Okay, let me show you. Let me create one more job. Go back again. Guys, don't ask me, Sai, what actually we are trying to do, what we are achieving. You will understand slowly. Just we are learning, letters. Later on, we'll create words and sentences. Okay. So click here, new item. I'm creating one more job. See, maybe I'll give name second job. So click here, freestyle. Now, okay. Now scroll down. See, same. Go to build, execute Windows batch command. Now what I'm doing, instead of giving right command, let's give wrong command. I'm giving just CHO. The same execution. CHO help. See, it's a wrong command, correct? This command is not available. It is actually a wrong command. Okay, now apply. See, apply means it will be saved and you will be here only. See, when I click apply, it will be saved, but you will be here only. But when I click on save, it will be saved and it will take you to the jobs page, jobs home page. You can see. If you go to dashboard, this is a main dashboard. You can see second job we have created. If you click on this job, this is this particular jobs home page. Okay. Yeah, now if you want, you can build from here itself. You can see build. That's it. Now see, what is this? Build failed. You can see red color. That you can see from dashboard also. Okay, what is this? Build failed. See, full raining. That means whatever 100% failed, right? That's why it is showing full rain. Okay. Yeah, if you want to see what actually happened, what is the console output, that history logs, just click here. It is saying that inside this location, I tried to execute this command, but see, CHO is not recognized as external command, something it is showing. So what is saying here, build step, fail, build fail. But see, that folder got created. Here you can see automatically folder got created. So everything is happening here. Okay, so build fail. Okay, that is what we call broken build. Also, build fail, also called broken build. So how to address this issue, how to rectify it? Just click here, you can see configure. We can modify this. Just click here, configure. Just scroll down. Now you can edit this command. See, now you give E. Just modify that command. Echo. Now apply or directly click on save. Now just run. Again, you run build. See, one more build will be created. You can see. But still, old build also is there. That's what logs. You can see. Every time you build, you can see logs. Now, if you go to dashboard, see weather report. Out of two builds, one got failed and one is successful. That's like cloudy. See here, why it is showing green color? Because latest build is successful, right? That's it. If you want to see console output, just you can click on the latest. Now you can see it is successful. So that is how we can fix broken build. We can copy settings from one job to another job. We can copy settings like, for example, let me create a new item. Assume that see, in first job, I have selected some 10 options. I'm going to create one more job called third job. In that third job also, I want same these options should be selected. In that case, instead of selecting all options one by one, we can copy settings from first job to third job. We can copy settings from first job to third job. So let's do it. New item. I'm going to give third job. Whatever name you want, you can do that. Okay. See, instead of selecting freestyle project here, what you do? Copy from. You can see copy from. So here you type here F. Just give first letter. Automatically it shows first job. That's it. Now click on OK. So whatever settings are there in first job, everything will be copied to third job. For example, for instance, you can see we are in third job, but still you can see this command because this command we had given in first job. So that is how it works. Okay. Now apply and save and just run it. Okay. This time let me build from here. You can build from here also. That's it. Hit refresh. Yeah, that's it. You can see one more folder got created. So that is how things work. Suppose if you want to delete a project, simple. What you do? You select here. You can delete from here. Oh, you go inside this project. You can delete from here. Delete project. Yeah. So delete. That will be deleted. Now you can see only 2 jobs. But still that folder will be there. Okay. Even though if you delete, folder will be there by default. That's how it is. Just have a kind of backup standby. Sometimes we delete by mistake, right? That's still that folder will be there. There you have to delete manually. It's kind of a recycling. Okay, it's for your safety only. Okay. So that is how we can play with these jobs. You'll understand what is the purpose of this job. You know, one doubt might be running in your mind. Say, first of all, why we need to create this job, what we are trying to achieve, what is this job all about? Okay, so don't worry, guys. These slowly you will understand, because at the beginning of movie you won't understand the entire climax, right? Correct. At least for next in beginning of movie, for at least half an hour or till 1 hour, you won't understand what is happening. Slowly you will understand. Slowly, got it? So here also same thing. That's why don't be in a too hurry mode. Slowly things will be clear. Okay, you'll understand everything. Each and every topic we are discussing it, everything we are going to use in project. Got it? So that's why don't ask questions which we are going to discuss in future. Okay, here, whatever we discuss in this, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Yeah, go ahead. Any doubts? Any doubts from anyone? And before that, one more thing. Yeah, as I said, tomorrow we don't have any class. Tomorrow, as I already said, anyways, I'll send Google Group message. Okay. Yeah, please go ahead with your doubts.
Yeah, hello, Sai.
Yes, please.
Yeah, you said that 1 out of 2 was a failure and the second job got success, right? And it shows in cloud form, right?
Yeah, actually,
Okay.
see, if you take 100%,
Okay.
Okay, suppose you any number of bills, it takes average. So out of 2 bills, 1 failed. That means 50% failed.
Okay.
So here only 4 weather reports. One is sunny.
Okay.
One is little bit sunny and cloudy, little bit. Then complete cloudy. Then cloudy and rainy. So when it is here, it might take sometime this one or this one. That depends. But it's just a track record. We don't even look at these things.
Yeah. What my doubt is, we are editing that 50% loss data. I mean, whatever we are changing the first thing, right? Failure data, and we are converting. So that we can delete the data, right?
Which one you want to delete? Previous build?
Yeah, previous build.
Yeah, very well. If you see, if you want to delete it, yes, you can delete it. Here you can see, if you rightly, you can see right side drop down. You can see here. Yeah, when you click that, you can see. Yeah, delete.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. When you click that, that will be deleted.
Right. Thank
you.
Then automatically the weather symbol will be changed, right?
Yes. Yeah, when you delete it.
Yeah. Right.
Any more doubts?
Yeah, I say. Are we adding users in that? Like,
yeah, that would be our last topic. Final, not final, last but one. User administration.
Hello. Hi, Sai.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
Hi, Sai. Like, we are going to in the entire CI/CD operation, we are going to handle through.
Yeah, we are going to see, but not here in project actually. Here we are going to learn all Jenkins concepts. Those we are going to implement every one of them in project.
Okay. Thank
you. Hi, Sai.
Yes, please.
Yeah, this is from the side of Ansible actually. Suppose like in the last session we checked the installation of Tomcat and all. Suppose in any of server we have some 6 to 7 instance of Tomcat, and we need to do the configurations, right? At least the port configurations and all. So those port, how will we handle with the?
If we manage more than one Tomcat, then how are we going to manage ports?
yeah, ports and
First
other
of all,
files.
we don't, in one machine, we keep only one Tomcat. Okay. In one machine, we keep only one Jenkins. Okay. In one machine, we install only one Git.
No,
So there,
no, sorry. I'm asking from the side of Ansible. Using playbooks and all, how we are going to handle those configuration files.
Acha, if you want to edit configuration file.
Yeah.
For that also, we have related modules are there. Okay, line in module, like many modules are there. In Ansible, whenever you, for example, edit file module in Ansible, whatever module you want, you will get here. If you want to edit line in, yes, this is a module. Let me show you. Just when whatever you want, you just search in Google, you'll get to know. Line in module we use. Okay, if you want to edit configuration files. Okay, so here, yeah, name, you give any name, not this one. 1 second. Okay, see here. Any module we use. So here, see in this file, line in file, these are module path. Where is the location of that file? This is a file. So line which you want to add in that file. So when you add, this will be added at the end. Generally in configuration file, you can add line at any place. Okay. So state present. Yeah, these things are not required. Okay. So this is a line in module we use. Same thing if you want to edit particular line also, they will mention some areas we use prefix and all. Yeah, for that also things are there. Just we have to search. Yeah. So everything is there. Just if you spend some time, definitely you'll get to know.
But like suppose I have some file instance in one server, okay.
Okay.
And the ports will be like 8086, 8086, 8087.
Okay.
So those for those every line we need to create a separate line, or we can do it one shot.
Wait. First of all, let me show you how to edit port. Okay, then you will get an idea that how we change the configuration files. The way you are asking it, that is not how we do it. First of all, okay, let me first show you how to change the port. Then automatically you can correlate with your doubt. Okay. Any more doubts?
Sai, tomorrow we don't have class.
Yeah, tomorrow we don't have class. Tomorrow we don't have class. Okay. Limited. Yeah. Fanindra, yes, we can create users with limited privileges that we are going to discuss. Okay, that is there. Fine. Yeah, that's it, guys, for today. Thank you all. See you in tomorrow's class. I mean, tomorrow it is not there, right? So see you in day after tomorrow's class. Okay, I'll send Google Group message for confirmation once again. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, Sai. Good night.
Thank you all. Yeah. Good night. Good night, everyone. Good night.